Hey guys, what's up? In this short tutorial video, I will teach you a simple trick how you can convert your Word documents into PDF files really quickly, free of charge and online without using any software or installing any software. So let's get started. So the tool you can use for that, guys, is called Soda PDF. You can access it via the URL sodapdf.com. And once you're on their homepage, simply click on Online Tools here at the top. And from the following menu, scroll down till you get to that feature here, Word to PDF. So use that converter. And on the next page, click on that button here. Locate your Word document or Word file on your computer or on your device. Upload it, wait for the upload process to be finished. And let Soda convert your Word document into a PDF file. All of that free of charge and 100% automatically. And after a moment, you will be given the opportunity to download your now converted Word document into PDF file by clicking on that button here. So that's basically it, guys. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.